All right, y'all. Welcome back. Today is January 20th on a Tuesday, and right now we are looking at gold. So, just giving y'all an update. Let's see. So, as you can see on today's on gold, we actually closed pretty bearish. I mean, bullish. We closed bullish. You can see how the momentum pushed up very strong, straight bullish for the whole entire day. So now that as we just constantly making these higher highs, obviously the next approach is to see price continue to retest and then continue to go higher as long as it just keep respecting each level. And we can see on the 4-hour how we was in a nice up momentum so far for gold. For gold. So we are still overbought. So like I always tell y'all, just kind of be cautious as you continue to buy into each level because at any moment price can dip down. Especially let's see how the yields do. But overall, we're still bullish. We're definitely overbought on the R side. So price can retrace down at any moment. But right now, as long as we continue to make higher highs and continue to respect each structure, then we can expect price to continue to push. So we did not break below here. So as long as it don't break below here and stay above this support area, then we continue to see price keep pushing up, going towards 5,000. Let's see what yields is doing. So on yields, we can see how even yields so far for today closed bullish as well too. So this is why I say I do think at some point gold is going to drop at some point, only because yields is pushing up very strong. So you can see even on yields we was very bullish. So yields is still constantly going up. And like I always tell y'all, if yields is going up, that means gold has to go down. And if yields is going down, that means gold has to go up. So so we are overbought on the 4-hour on yields, but overall we're gonna just kind of keep watching the yields and see. But it is slowing down a little bit, but definitely was overall bullish. And then let's go to DXY. So DXY, we done as you can see, we made this huge shift down, right? Still waiting for kind of a retest. We kind of is right underneath this zone right here, so price can drop from here. But the fact that we made this clear break right here is a clear sign that we could be seeing DXY continue to go back down lower, especially once it break back. So we see I got a nice little pullback. So if we see price go break below here, then this is a zone that we could be seeing price, especially continue going down. So we are in this zone already. So let's kind of mark this right here. That's how the daily went. Yeah, so even on the daily, we closed very bearish for today, even on the daily. So that's going to be kind of interesting. So right now, DXY is currently bearish right now, right? And look like we could be going back in the direction of here, checking out these lows. It just really depends on what we do on the next 4-hour. So if price do end up closing bullish, let's say if like kind of push back above here, then we could be going back up. But as long as we stay below here, then we could be seeing price continue going lower, especially if it's break back below here. So, and then if we go to USD Japan, we can see how in USD Japan that we had this nice clear break. Right now we do got a double bottom right now at the same time underneath for resistance. So this is why I always tell you, you want to wait to see what price is going to do. Let price make a clear, breaking structure off of a resistance. Because let's say if you just sell right into this, don't get me wrong, you probably got stopped out because that price just spiked up real quick, then it came down. So depends on where you would put your stop loss. But point is, you can see we're still in this range. So that's why it's important to be very patient and just kind of wait to see what price is going to overall do. So we still are above it. Like I tell y'all, you kind of want to see price break really below the 60% zone to know that we could be going down deeper. So as long as we remain above here, this could be pushing back up still. So, and it also depends on what DXY is doing as well too. So other than that, that's my input for today, and I'll see you on tomorrow.